Hello, much love. Namaste to you. This is going to be a 10-minute energy clearing healing session as well as a guided meditation that is designed to assist you in manifesting a union with your twin flame. So my name is Rachel and I'm an intuitive energy healer. I work a lot with twin flames and I put together a complete twin flame healing session that's available. It's 45 minutes long and you can instantly download it. It's a video. And the link to that is below if you're interested in a more intense healing session. So all I want you to do is, if you're able to, close your eyes. But if not, just set the intention that you are open and ready to receive, that your mind is open, your energy is open, and call your twin flame to your mind. So I begin this by really just connecting with your energy. If you know about manifesting, if you know about quantum physics, there's really no time or space. And that's why these distance energy sessions work just as well as if you were sitting right in front of me. So I'm connecting with your energy. And I'm going to connect with your twin flame's energy. Continue to breathe and relax. The more you can relax, the more effortlessly you can manifest. Give yourself this time to relax your mind, relax your body, and trust in the incredible power of this energy healing, in the incredible power of your energy and your intentions. Every person that we come across is a reflection of the beliefs and the energy we hold within us on some level. Or if we feel fear or doubt or unworthiness, it's reflected back in a variety of ways. And to really shift the dynamic in twin flame relationships, we must shift these energies within ourselves. So I want you to envision what union with your twin flame would look for you. What would it be like for you? Bring this to the top of your mind now. Now focus on how you would feel if you were in union with your twin flame. You would be able to love unconditionally. And this means loving without fear of losing. This means appreciating. And this means having unconditional self-love, self-worth, and confidence in ourselves and in our relationship. Call in these energies, call in this emotion of confidence and unconditional love right now. Experience these in your body as you continue to visualize this union between you and your twin. Imagine yourself giving them a hug. from this energy that you're embracing. Unconditional love, self-confidence, loving freely without fear. It's as if you're hugging them right now from this state. Now I want you to look at your twin flame. Their energy is here with you right now. And tell them from this confident space all of the things that you love most about them. And perhaps you don't even have words to put to this energy, but just feel this love that you have for them. And if any old blockages or pain or doubts come up during this session, send them love, but then refocus all of your energy on what you love about your twin flame. Focusing on only the good. So the more we focus on the good, the more we call the good into our experience. Now imagine your twin flame telling you all the things that they like about you. Really cultivating this open and receptive energy. You are receptive to receiving these compliments. You are receiving their love. You are worthy of it. What do they love about you? How much do they love you from their heart space? An unconditional amount is the answer. Feel this. Feel yourself being unconditionally loved. Just visualize what your life would be like together. All the beauty that you could create with one another. Both from a confident, self-loving, higher knowing place. What would your day look like right now if you were in union, if you were in this energetic space? Feel it as if it is happening at this moment. How would you feel if you had come into union a month ago? How would you be feeling right now? complete confidence in this union, complete worthiness and confidence in yourself, focusing on the good and appreciating one another. Call in all of these energies. This is where you place your focus. Finally, just imagine the energy of love wrapping you both up right now. Sealing in the energy of this session across all time and space, calling it into your reality at this moment. And believe that it is so. Begin to deepen your breath. I'm simply wiping off the energy, anything that you may have released during that session, wiping off my own energy, disconnecting from both of your energies. So be it and so it is. The more that you can cultivate the energy of this session, the quicker you call the manifestation into your reality. So cultivate this sense of confidence, cultivate this sense of self-appreciation. And whenever you think of your twin flame, focus on what you appreciate, what you love. The more you can do this, the more and more you align with these energies. This is the key. All right, so again, for a more intense session or any other healing or reading services, see the link below. Sending you and your twin flame so much love. Thank you. Namaste.